The ecosystem we are already discovering in Real Rimming Lab and Unimas Lake has been divided into three types, which are terrestrial, transitional, and aquatic ecosystems. For the ecosystem at Real Rimming Lab is divided into two types, which are terrestrial ecosystem and transitional ecosystem. For type terrestrial ecosystem, it uses forest ecosystem, which may include a variety of plant and animal species adapted to humid and warm conditions. For type transitional ecosystem, it uses mangrove ecosystem, which is mangrove grow in muddy, waterlogged soil rich in organic matter. These soils are often low in oxygen, creating an aerobic condition. For the ecosystem at Unimas Lake is divided into two types, which are aquatic ecosystem and transitional ecosystem. For type aquatic ecosystem, it uses freshwater ecosystem, which includes low salt bodies of water like river, lake, stream, ponds, and wetland, supporting diverse plant and animal life. For type transitional ecosystem, it uses riparian ecosystem, which is the transitional areas between land and freshwater environments such as rivers, streams, and lakes.
Next is about abiotic and biotic with the interaction between them. First of all, it's about forest ecosystem. For abiotic part, soil type. Forest soils are typically nutrient-rich and well-drained with a high organic matter content. Second is light availability, varies with canopy density. For biotic part, one is trees and shrubs, various species providing habitat and food. Second is animals such as mammals, birds, reptiles, and insects. For the interaction, one is competition for light, nutrients, and space among plants, and second is food webs, complex interaction between producers, consumers, and decomposers. Second is about mangrove ecosystem. For abiotic part is salinity, tolerate a wide range of salinity from freshwater to hypersaline conditions. Second is climate, thrive in tropical and subtropical regions with warm temperatures and high rainfall. For biotic part is mangrove species adapted to varying levels of salinity, tidal inundation, and soil conditions. Second is microbiome communities such as bacteria, fungi, and algae. For the interaction, one is habitat provision. Mangrove trees and their associated flora provide habitat and food resource for various animal species, supporting a diverse array of biotic interaction. Second is coastal protection. Mangrove vegetation act as natural barrier protecting coastal areas from erosion, storm surge, and wave action. Third is about freshwater ecosystem. For abiotic part is water quality includes pH, temperature, depth of oxygen, and nutrients level. Second is water movement, currents, and wave affect the distribution of nutrients and organisms. For biotic part is aquatic plants such as algae, and second is fish, various species adapted to freshwater environment. For the interaction is predator-prey relationship, fish feeding on invertebrates and smaller fish. Second is symbiosis, algae and bacteria interacting for nutrient exchange. For the last one is riparian ecosystem. For abiotic part is soil moisture affects vegetation types, and second is light availability can vary due to tree cover. For biotic part is vegetation, trees, shrub, and grasses. Second is aquatic and semi-aquatic animals like fish, amphibians, and reptiles. For the interaction is habitat provision, riparian zones providing shelter and breeding sites, and second is predation, birds and mammals feeding on aquatic and terrestrial organisms.
Now we go to the limiting factor. Limiting factor for forest ecosystem is nutrient availability, especially nitrogen and phosphorus, dissolved oxygen level, essential for the survival of aerobic organism, light availability, affects photosynthetic organism, temperature, influence metabolic rates and distribution of species. Next, limiting factor for freshwater ecosystem is dissolved oxygen, essential for most aquatic organisms, nutrient level, affect productivity of the ecosystem, light availability, limits photosynthesis. Then, limiting factor for mangrove ecosystem is salinity, must tolerate freshwater to hypersaline condition. And lastly, limiting factor for riparian ecosystem is water availability. Seasonal variation can impact species, nutrient level can limit plant growth, and light availability influence plant growth and diversity.
Next is our group's reflection. This mini project helps our group better understand our responsibilities and roles as citizens, especially in terms of environmental awareness. We gain knowledge about the variety of life and the ecological interactions in the surroundings from this mini project. Hence, this awareness cultivates a sense of responsibility to protect and preserve these ecosystems. Next, community engagement. We can help spread awareness of environmental issues and inspire others to take part in green initiatives by showing how individual efforts can contribute to broader societal goals. Besides that, our group has gained various skills and valuable knowledge through this experience, such as research skills, technical skills, critical thinking, project management, local ecosystems knowledge, ecological concepts, and environmental impacts. Lastly, this experience helped our group better understand the subjects we have been studying by enhancing our knowledge through practical application. We are strengthening our theoretical knowledge by gaining hands-on experience with techniques such as ecological surveying and identifying abiotic and biotic factors in the ecosystem. Other than that, we can better understand the relevance and significance of the subjects we study when we see how academic theories are used in the real world.
Nampak dah muka dia.
Aduh, kena pergi depan ni. Oh. Damn, son.
Kalau ni.
Gelinya.
Ya, aku ambil ni sambil.